I mean, you can see it for yourself, guys. It cracked it almost instantly. That's how simple this password is. This video is for educational purposes only. Everything shown here is done ethically in a controlled environment to demonstrate cybersecurity principles. Always get permission before testing or accessing any system. I am not responsible for misuse. This is about learning, not breaking the law. Did you know that the password ABC123 can be cracked in just seconds? Hopefully you guys are not using that password. Okay, we are in Kali Linux. Let's go into root. Then I head into my document folder. Oh, look at that. There's a cheeky file here called subscribe. Wow, just a reminder, guys. Just a reminder. Now, I want to make sure passwords are encrypted using SHA-512. To do that, I edit the PAM configure file and make sure it says SHA-512. Next, let's create a user with a weak password. Sudo add user byte65, and the password is going to be ABC123. And yes, in 2025, if you're using ABC123, you're basically inviting hackers in. Then I create a file, torch byte65. Now I grab the password hash using this command. Copy that hash into the text file, nano byte65 or whatever the file that you've created, put it in there. Then paste it, Ctrl O to save and Ctrl X to exit. Now let's crack it with John the Ripper using a word list. Make sure you have it. Here's the command if you do not have the word list downloaded. After installing word list, run this command and make sure at the end of the command, put the file that you created. It could be subscribe.txt or whatever the file that you've created. I mean, you can see it for yourself, guys. It cracked it almost instantly. That's how simple this password is. One password cracked. Easy. Now let's see what happens with a stronger password. Sudo add user byte45 and the password will be... I'm going to go through the steps. Previously, I'm going to create a file, then grab the hash and then paste it into that file. This time we use a mask attack. Here is the command that I will be using. This command assumes the password has 1 uppercase, 3 lowercase, 3 digits and 1 symbol. But here's the catch. The estimate time shows up as 96 days. Yep, 96 days to brute force that one password. Is it worth it? Let's take it further with Hashcat, which is a GPU accelerated. Now run this command. If you haven't installed Hashcat, make sure you do, and here's the command for it. Estimate time 96 days. That is the power of a slightly stronger password. So what did we learn? Weak passwords like ABC123 are cracked instantly. Stronger ones like the one we use can take months to break. Using masks and GPU cracking tools like Hashcat still doesn't guarantee fast results against complex passwords. Remember, guys, to set strong passwords, use password managers, don't reuse credentials. This isn't just a theory, it's how real-world attacks happen. And again, all of this is for educational purposes only. Don't test this on any system you don't own or have explicit permission to test.